Yeah, today I'll be taking the roll call. I want to ensure everyone is present, yes? Yes, Gladys Jebor.
Present.
Collince Sati.
Present.
Aysha.
Present.
Sharon.
Present.
Atieno.
Present.
Sawa. Since most of you are present, that's interesting, yes? So in our previous lesson, can someone remind us what we learned about in our previous lesson? Yes, Aysha.
We discussed the advantages and disadvantages of star topology.
We discussed the advantages and disadvantages. Can someone remind us one of star topology?
One advantage of star topology is that it is easy to add a network device without disrupting the entire network.
Yeah, that was very good. It is easy to
add a network device.
To add a network device, yeah? Yeah, so that's good. So by the end of this lesson, we should be able to draw a network topology. We have various types. You should be able to identify with them. And we'll also have to factors when choosing a topology. Yes? So quickly, I want to start with the bus topology. We have 5 different types of network topologies. We have first one, we have bus topology. Bus topology.
We have ring topology.
Another one is called
A ring topology.
a ring topology. Yes, another one.
Mesh topology.
Mesh topology. Yes, Rose.
We also have a star topology.
A star, yes, good quality. And then a tree topology, yes? So we'll have to cover these topologies. First, I would like us to start with the bus topology. From the word bus, you get to understand it's almost like moving in a direction, yes?
Yes.
I'll have to create a space so we can draw it. Because by the end you should be able to draw it. Because I'll set it in the card. Yeah, so on a bus topology, these are computers connected on a network. Yes? You find this one. For example, the direction is moving forward. We've defined it as a bus moving in the forward direction. We have computers connected to a network. And at the end of these bus topologies, we have things called terminators. What's the purpose? Can someone tell me the purpose of terminators?
It is used to absorb all the signals that have either reached their destination or cannot find their destination.
Yes, that's good, Aisha. It's used to absorb the signals because some signals cannot reach to their destination. Yes?
Yeah.
So remember, so advantage of this one is when one computer fails, the whole network won't fail. It will be continuing, yes?
Yeah.
The whole network will be okay, it will be good. If a computer fails, it doesn't disrupt the network. But the disadvantage of it, you find that when the network cable or the bus where the network passes, if it fails, that whole computer will will fail, no?
Yes.
So you have another thing. Do you think it's easy to set up or it's hard to set up?
It is easy to set up.
Easy to set up, yes? You just pick cables, terminators, computers, and you connect them to a network, yes?
Yes.
Yeah, and how about cheap? Is it cheap or expensive?
It is cheap.
It is cheap to set up, yes?
Mm.
Because as we move downward, we have other topologies which requires a lot of cables.
Yes.
So if you have one cable or a minimum of 5, you'll be able to do it rightly. So that's what if it comes in your exam, make sure you get it right, yes?
Okay.
So quickly we'll have to move to the ring topology. Ring topology. We'll have to move to the ring topology. So can someone tell us the ring topology?
Ring topology, it has all devices connected to each other, forming a loop or a ring.
Okay, can you draw it on the board? Just quickly. Because time is not on our side. You can just draw it and let's see. Yes, thank you. Let's clap for Sharon. Yes, thank you. So in ring topology, the computers are connected using a node. Yeah, they are connected to each other using a node and a cable. So this is the first computer. Remember, we defined a network topology as a connection of computer using a node, using cables. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that's very good. So this is what you've done, you've drawn it well. It forms a circle. This computer. But the problem with this one, they are interconnected. We call them interconnected. So if this computer fails, this cabling, this network that is being transferred from this place, it won't be able to move to this place. So you find it's cut. So the other computers won't have the network. Yeah, that's the disadvantage of it. Quickly moving to mesh topology. Does someone have an idea of what mesh topology is? Yes? So a mesh topology from the word, these are the interconnection of computer. This computer connects to another computer. Let me draw it. So this computer connects with that one, this with that. So it almost forms a mesh. So if one computer fails, that doesn't, because this other computer will be connected, it won't fail. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, that's very good. So we were able to learn on this one. Because of time, we were able to learn on topologies. So if I bring them on the exam, you'll be able to note something. No, you can be able to draw it down. Because I'll be marking, I'll be checking on your card. But you are good students. Where you see you're a very good student. So in summary, what are you able to understand about our lesson today? Yes, Sharon.
We've learned how to draw a bus topology, and we've known that bus topology, like, it is economical because you only use one cable.
Yes, thank you. Sharon has understood the bus topology. Very good. Another on our summary. Gladys, what were you able to?
I learned about the mesh topology. So in mesh topology, when one computer is broken, others can continue working without interference.
Thank you very much. So with that, we can conclude our lesson. But before that, I'd like you to have an assignment. Remember, we haven't covered on the other topologies. So you go and read ahead on the star topology and the tree topology. write notes, create on the advantage. So when we meet in the next lesson, we'll move it rightly, yes? Even not, this is not a group work, this is an individual work. Okay. So thank you, meet you in the next class. Does anyone have a question before we conclude? Yes.
My question is on bus topology.
Yes.
For example, the bus topology has the backbone. Our first PC, in case the backbone breaks, from where the connection of first PC is, can the rest of the PCs work?
Yes, that's a good question. Can someone answer? You've asked if the first computer breaks
At the backbone area.
at the backbone. No, you see, the way it's connected, it's just come like this. So this computer has a cable. It has its own cable. Yeah. So it doesn't affect. That's why we say the only problem happens when the cable breaks. The main cable that connects this computer. Yes? But meanwhile, you can go and research more. It's when the cable breaks that the whole computer are down. But if this computer breaks, the other computer will keep on functioning. That's a good question, thank you. So if someone doesn't have a question, you can conclude our lesson. So